Well, welcome back to DevvStream's channel, a leader in green project investments and carbon credit generation. Recently, DevvStream accepted into the Singapore Carbon Market Alliance, focused on carbon credits aligned with Article 6, which to break all of this down, of course, Sunny, the Chief Executive Officer, joining us. Welcome, sir.
Great. Thank you. Thank you for having me, Kyle.
Always a pleasure. So I'll hand it over to you. Tell us what's going on.
Yeah, so no, we're really excited to be invited to join the Singapore Carbon Market Alliance. And essentially, what this is it's a way for Singapore to support their greenhouse gas initiatives at a national level and just to reduce it, and also to meet the goals from the Paris Agreement. So most countries, in order for them to meet their carbon footprint reduction goals, they need to buy carbon credits. And hence, the Article 6 was created through the Paris Agreement. Essentially what that means is that countries can trade credits with each other. So developing nations who are doing projects that are reducing emissions can generate credits that meet certain criteria, and then countries such as Singapore would have bilateral agreements with these developing nations to be able to trade credits back and forth. In order for projects in the countries that have agreements with Singapore to make these trades, they need to do it through a member of the Singapore Carbon Market Alliance. What this means for DevStream is that by us being a member, we will, once we're eligible, we can take projects that we're doing in some of these nations, like Kenya, for example, or Ghana. Um, it'll allow them to be able to trade credits to Singapore through us. And what that means is that these credits will be much higher value, and there'll be much more demand because when a country's buying them versus a corporation, you can see that I think the volume could be pretty significant. And they'll be higher quality because the criteria are much more stringent than just a regular simple voluntary credit. So we're really excited about this. It gives us access to a lot of projects that are interested in these type of trades, and allows us to help provide guidance for some of these projects and project developers as well.
On that note, we'll pass it off to the viewers as always. We'd love to know what you think and consider subscribing as news catalysts come down the wire like this. Of course, we'll bring it to you here. But on the note, we look forward to catching you in the next one.